Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about cosine x squared everything to the power of 2. This one, that is about sine x squared everything to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about cosine 2x. This one, that is about number 1. The interpretation of this one, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2x, and I will put about c. Now let's go to the next one. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 1 minus number 1, you got number 0. Negative and negative, we have positive. So number 2 to the power of 3, that is about number 8. So number 2 with number 3, we have number 6. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have cosine x dx. So this one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for the u. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.